Welcome, basketball families. In today's one-day tournament, we're going to talk about basketball strategy and basketball situations. We're going to ask students to consider the entire moment at that time as they compete, interact, and answer fun multiple-choice video questions. We're going to talk about considering such factors as how much time is on the clock, how many points do you have, and of course, how many points do your competitor have. We're going to combine all of these game situations to help students increase their basketball IQ and make better basketball decisions. Let's take a look at how to rank high on the leaderboard and score points. I'm going to provide students with fun multiple choice video questions designed with 10 years of professional basketball experience. Students will use reading, comprehension, and critical thinking skills to give me their best answer. Once they answer these fun multiple choice video questions in chat, we will then enter our answers into our stat sheet. Here's where students can check and see where they rank on the leaderboard. Kids will be playing this tournament from all around the world. Students will see where they rank compared to other kids at their level. They can take this class as often as possible and continue to rank higher and higher on the leaderboard. All right, basketball families, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to administer this basketball IQ tournament. When you enter the stat sheet, you're going to actually put your name, your gender, and your age, and let me know if this is your first, second, or third time playing, because after the third time, you should have mastered this particular tournament, and it'll be time for part 2 or some new material. And this is where the students are going to enter their scores. They can enter their scores as you go along in class, or they can simply enter their answers all at once at the end. Either way, when they enter their answers, they will put their answers in chat so you can keep track. And of course, when they come to the end and put their answers in, either before or after the tournament, they'll be able to come here, click this link, and come back and check their standings. okay? Students will be playing this tournament from all around the world, so your students can see where they rank compared to their family, friends, and strangers, okay? Now, the easiest way in how I administer this tournament is using Zoom. Zoom is free. You can sign up for a free account. As you can see here, I already have an account, so I would simply sign in when I'm ready to schedule a meeting for my friends and family. I would just click schedule a meeting, okay? And here, you can do whatever you like. You can name your meeting whatever you like. For example, you can name your meeting, let's say, Cindy's family tournament, okay? Cindy wants to invite all of her nieces and nephews to a quick, fun, interactive basketball IQ tournament. Simply put in your topic, add your description, basketball IQ tournament, or whatever you like, okay? Then of course, you're gonna come down here and you're gonna pick a date. You pick the date. It can be 10 minutes from now, 20 minutes from now, 30, one day, whatever you decide. Just simply pick a date. Don't worry about these. These are default settings. This should be fine the way it's set. You don't need to be recurring meetings or anything like that, okay? So leave these settings as they are. Simply hit save. Then it's gonna have your meeting set up for you, okay? You're gonna come here and just start the meeting at the time that you selected. But for now, just simply copy this link. And this is the link that you share with your family and friends so that they can meet you for the basketball IQ tournament, okay? It's just that simple. Anyone can administer this tournament. All you need is the students. So let's take a look at Zoom. When you're actually in Zoom, you're simply gonna share your screen, okay? First thing you're gonna do when you share your screen with students is you're gonna copy and paste the link to the stats sheet that is provided for you in the resource section. Put that in the chat window. Let the students open up that in another browser, for example, and they can, as we said, follow along, put in their answers now, or they can put them in at the end. They're gonna use a scratch piece of paper to keep track of their answers. Question 1A, 2D, 3B. You'll have the answer key, so you can simply write down their responses, just in case you wanted to follow up and check the quote-unquote accuracy of the students entering their scores. Or you can just have fun and enjoy this tournament. Either way, you're gonna increase your entire families and your students' basketball IQ. See you in class.